Hi, this is Eric from Smartwatch Authority, and we have another video for you with a B57. Up next is the messages. It will pop up notifications when you are paired and connected to your phone, and if you receive message from Facebook or text message or to any social media apps, you will receive a notification on the screen. The notification function will only work if your watch is paired in your smartphone via Bluetooth. So while you are connected to your phone, you can also use the watch as a Bluetooth shutter. So just open the camera app and go through the option, and you are in the camera icon. Long press to take a photo and start a video recording. You can also control music on your watch, so just go to the music control and open your music player and make sure the play icon is selected, and then long press to play the music and do a long press to stop it and tap it again to go to the next song and long press again to select the next song. Unfortunately, this watch cannot be installed with any other music players like Spotify, so you'll have to deal it with your smartphone apps. If you have any questions about the B57, feel free to comment them down below and we'll do our best to answer your questions.